children. How are you? Okay, good morning children. Okay children, today I am going to take English for you. English for UKG. English for UKG. Okay children, so before learning English, we will learn some general questions like in first class we have learned the domestic animals, then wild animals, isn't it? Then some GK questions, then parts of the body, isn't it? We have learned so many things. So today also we will learn one interesting thing, that is parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Okay children? Okay, before learning this, we'll do some exercise. Okay, stand up all of you. Stand up children. Yes. See, do your hands like this. Everyone. Okay, stop. Now jump children, jump, jump, jump. Clap your hands and jump. Clap your hands and jump, jump, jump children. Yes, jump. Very good. Jump, jump children. Okay. Stop. Now we'll do some exercise. Put your hands like this children. Yes, bend like this. Again straight. Again bend this side. Straight. Okay. Again. Bend. Straight. Again bend this side. Yes. So once again do children. Same exercise. Yes. Bend this side. Straight. And then bend this side. Okay. Now put your hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now put your hands on your shoulders and do like this children. Yes, do like this. Stop. Now opposite side, back side, opposite direction. Yes, stop. Put your hands down. Now put your hands like this. Stretch your legs apart. Put your legs apart like this. Turn like this children. Yes. Straight. Then turn this side. Straight. Then turn this side. Your body should turn. Yes. Again this side. Okay? Yes. Now nod your head children. Nod your head. Close your eyes. Nod like this. Okay, opposite direction. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes children, don't open. Rub your hands. Rub your hands. Put your hands on your eyes. And now slowly open your eyes. Okay? Yes. So now we will learn the parts of a plant. Okay, see this children, this is a plant. Okay, see, this is a plant. You can see a flower, you can see the leaves, you can see a bird, you can see the stem, and you can see the roots. Okay, these are the parts of a plant. Okay, I'll show you what are the parts of the plant. Yes, can you see this, children? What is this? Yes, this is a flower. Then this is a leaf. See, leaves. Leaves are here. And see, children, this is a bud. See, this is a bud. Okay, can you see the bud? Yes, this is a flower. And these are the buds. Bud means what, you know, children? Mogga. This is flower, puvulu. Okay, and these are the leaves. See, so many leaves are there. These are the leaves. And this is stem, children. This is stem. This is stem. This is called stem. Okay, and one more part is the roots. See this, children? This is called the roots. Okay, the roots of the plant. See, you can see the roots. I'll show you the roots. See this. This is called roots. This is called roots. Okay, children. This is a flower. 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 Bud, bud. Leaves, leaves. These are the leaves. Stem, stem, stem. This is called stem. Okay, stem, stem, stem. And the roots, roots, roots. Okay, children, did you see the body parts of a plant? Yes, we'll write the parts of a plant. What is the first one, children? Flower. 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 Second one. Okay. Next, second one is bud. 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 Then third one, leaves. 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 Then stem. Stem. And the last one is roots. 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 Flowers, buds, leaves, stem, roots. Okay, flowers. 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 Buds. Buds. Leaves. Leaves. Stem, stem. Roots, roots. Okay, children, now you will repeat after me. Flowers. 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 Repeat after me, children. Flowers. Flowers. Okay, next one, buds. 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 The next one is leaves. See, children, leaves. 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 roads. R-O-O-T-S, roads. R-O-O-T-S, roads. Okay children, these are the parts of a plant. Okay, there are many parts, but today we will learn only 5 parts. Okay, we have learned 5 parts, that is flowers, buds, leaves, stem and roots. Okay children, so you have to learn the spellings also. Flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Buds, B-U-D-S, buds. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Stem, S-T-E-M, stem. And the last one, roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Okay children, fine, very good, done? Yes, we have done with the parts of a plant. So now we will learn English alphabets. Okay children? Yes. So you will tell me this children, we will tell what is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Okay. 1 second children. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Okay children, once again we will repeat alphabets. A, B, C, repeat after me. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Yes. So, in last class, you have learned till where children? Till which letter you have learned? Yes, I'll tell you. So, in the last class, you have learned the letters Q, R, S, T. Isn't it? So, today we will learn U, V, W, X. So, today we are going to learn this 4 letters U, V, W, X. Okay, children? Yes. So, first letter is U, which we are going to learn today. What is the first letter, children? Yes, we are going to learn U. U for, what is U for, children? U for Yes, U for umbrella. This is what, children? What is this? Yes, this is umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay? U for umbrella. Next. What is the next letter? U for umbrella. Okay. Next is V. V for, I'll show you something here. See this? V for vegetables. What is this, children? Vegetables. I'll show you some of the vegetables. You have to name them. What is this? Onion. Very good. This is onion. Pumpkin. Spinach. Palakura. Okay. Very good. And what is this? Tomato. Okay. Next. Vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Yes, brinjal. This is brinjal, the king of the vegetables. Okay, brinjal. And what is this? Radish. This is radish. Okay. And next is chili. You all like this, children? You all like this? No? Okay, this is chili. Next one is, what is this? Cabbage. This is cabbage, children. And this is cauliflower. This is cauliflower. And this is bottle gourd. What is this, children? Bottle gourd. Okay. And this is cucumber. So what are these, children? These all are called as, what are these called? These all are called as vegetables. These all called as vegetables. Can you see all the vegetables? Yes. See this. Yes. So these all are called as vegetables. V for vegetables. Okay, children? V for vegetables. See this? Yes. V for vegetables. Okay. And the next one. See this? What is this? Watermelon. W for watermelon. See, children, watermelon. Yes, W for watermelon. V for vegetables. And W for watermelon. Okay, see, children, you all like watermelon? Watermelon. Watermelon, children, see. See, very nice. No, children, you all want to eat? Take one piece. Okay, W for watermelon. And the next letter is X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Okay, Xmas tree, children. Yes, see this Xmas tree. Can you see? Yes, this is Xmas tree. Okay, these are the 4 letters which we are going to learn today. Okay, all of you take out your English class workbooks, children. 4 rule book. English 4 rule book. Take out your English class work. 4 rule book. Today we will learn UVW. Sorry, we will learn UVWX. Correct, okay? So children, after the class you will have to practice this in your book. You must listen to your mummy or your sister, brother, whoever tells you to write, you have to listen to them. So you will write CW. First letter you are going to write first one U. See children, you will write U like this. U here, first, second, third, 3 lines. First 3 lines you will touch and write U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay, the full page you will write down also U for umbrella. Parents, please, if the child is not able to write, please put the dots like this so that the child will join the dots. Parents, ఒకవేళ మీ పిల్లలు రాయలేకపోతే జస్ట్ ఇలా డాట్స్ పెట్టండి, వాళ్ళు ఈ డాట్స్ ని జాయిన్ చేస్తూ రాస్తారు. Children, join the dots like this, U for umbrella. Okay, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. So like this the full page you will write, children. Next letter is V. Next letter is V. V for vegetables. 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 Okay? And the next letter is W. Here we will write W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. And the last letter is X. Write like this. Write like this. X for Xmas tree. 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 So like this you will write 4 pages, children. 1 page U full, 1 page V, 1 page W, 1 page X. Like this you will write 4 pages, full page you will write. Okay, after that your mummy or your parents, whoever, your brother, sister, anyone will give you the homework. The next page, first line they will write U, the next page first line V, the next page first line W, the next page first line X. By seeing that you will have to write it as homework, children. Okay, I request the parents, so as how you are doing in every class, after the class you are writing the homework in the next page. Each page first line you will write it and give it to the child, and the remaining lines this child will follow what you have written. This is a request for the parents to please write the first line as a homework, 4 pages. Okay, parents మీరు ఎప్పుడు చేసేటట్టే ఇలా ఈ రోజు కూడా అలాగే రాయించండి. ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఈ 4 pages రాసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ లో హోంవర్క్ అని రాయండి. హెచ్డబ్ల్యూ అని రాసి ఫస్ట్ లైన్ మీరు రాయండి. ఒక పేజ్ లో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ యు అని రాసి ఇవ్వండి. ఇంకొక పేజ్ లో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ వి అని రాసి ఇవ్వండి. ఇంకొక పేజ్ లో డబ్ల్యూ అని రాసి ఇవ్వండి. ఇంకొక పేజ్ లో ఎక్స్ అని ఫస్ట్ లైన్ రాసి ఇవ్వండి. ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లో 4 తీసుకోండి. యు 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 మిగిలినవన్నీ మీ పిల్లలు రాస్తారు హోంవర్క్. ఓకే, మీరు ఇలా రాసి ఇవ్వండి, వాళ్ళు రాస్తారు. చిల్డ్రన్ ప్లీజ్ ఫాలో వాట్ ఎవర్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ రైటింగ్ in the homework column. Okay children, see that and you will write. And also you have the workbook children. In workbook you will have to write here page number 11, page number 11 UVWX. This 4 also you will write in your class work. Okay children, write it in your classwork UVWX. Okay, yes, after writing this I request the parents please take the photo of the homeworks and classwork and send it to the school mail ID, that is myschoolmyhomework@gmail.com. parents పిల్లలు రాసిన తర్వాత ఆ బుక్స్ ని హోంవర్క్ ని క్లాస్ వర్క్ ని ఫోటో తీసి మాకు మెయిల్ పంపించండి స్కూల్ మెయిల్ ఐడికి myschoolmyhomework@gmail.com అనే మెయిల్ ఐడికి వీళ్ళ ఫొటోస్ పంపించండి, మేము చెక్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో till that learn the parts of a plant and learn the